Okay. You see this app right here? For the past 2 years, it's been silently holding like 60% of my money. But in 2025, with all these new apps, is Piggyvest still the GOAT for broke Nigerian youth? Or has it seen finish? Today, I'm opening my actual Piggyvest portfolio, no lies, no filtering, to show you the good, the bad, and the very ugly interest rates. Let's find out if it's still worth your data.
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging. And I go hard, that's why they keep talking.
First, let's talk savings. We all know we need to save, but our eyes are bigger than our bank accounts. And Piggyvest understands this, okay? Target savings is my best friend. You see this? I'm saving 1,000 naira daily for this goal. It automatically deducts it. If I try to break it, the guilt alone will kill me. Then there's Safelock. This one is for money you want to pretend you don't have. You lock it away for a set time. I mean, the interest is meh, but it's better than a pillow. And the real benefit, you cannot touch it, period. Now, the part y'all came for, investments. Can Piggyvest make you rich? Short answer, no. Long answer, hell no. Now, this is not for building wealth, it's for protecting your wealth from yourself. Let's be real, the returns are pretty low. You're not beating inflation, but what you are doing is building a rock solid savings habit, and that is priceless. So, is Piggyvest still worth it in 2025? Well, yes, but 1, it's worth it if you're terrible at saving and need automated help. 2, it's worth it for your emergency fund or short-term goals. 3, it's not worth it as your main investment strategy. For that, we need to talk about stocks and crypto. Comment below if you want that video. Now, I want to know, do you still use Piggyvest? What's your favorite feature? Let's talk in the comments. And if you learned anything in this brutally honest review, do not forget to like this video and subscribe. I mean, we are building legacies, not just bank accounts, okay? So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!